What me money them is?
Me give her the money when my auntie give me.
$20,000?
Yeah, that she said me figure that she give me.
So me and her ring a roses in send a little change come give you. When you feel like me.
I know me and you in a partner say if you let me go.
You're still full of chat. You're full of chat. You're full of chat. Me not even feel I'm not talking with you neither. Just give me your mother number, cause your mother go come. Your auntie go just come send me one little change where she feel like she send me. It not go work so.
Me not want no more.
Oh, alright. When you're hungry, we talk. You ready to tell me number? You ready to tell me now? Alright. Give me your number.
5 2 1 94 65.
Alright, thank you very much. Be a good girl and stop being nice. Hello. Good night, Miss Candy. Yes. If me can't tell you thanks.
Auntie help!
Auntie help. Auntie help. Auntie help. How you send 20,000 la kongi? If partner just be 44,000, you send 20,000 la kongi. Me no, I know ramping. And everybody take money game lightly, ma'am. You send 44,000. Me receive 20,000. I want the women that go tell her like money $20,000. And when you're ready to give me the rest of 22, you can come pick up your niece. Your auntie help. Tell her make she hear you.
Auntie help!
When you're ready to carry the 22, you will tell her if you go and pick her up. Just transfer it in my account. Me not in my yard. Me not so fool to keep people in my yard.
She their yard.
Yes. So you give her 40. What you talk so? Me think you're the bad. Lock me out your house and everything. I know your voice gone soft. Eh? Me take you want somebody from you. No, man, me say that they're going to pick everything. But when I'm ready to give me money, you can call back and tell me. Me go send me account number when me see it coming from my phone. Yeah, me have online banking. Me will let her go. And I do her thing and I'll lay a finger upon her.
She choked me.
Yes.
Woman, let me go.
Right. You chat too much too, man. Fed up on your mouth. Your auntie want you with you.
Auntie, what's your rice meal? Jesus Christ.
better call me. You again? Hello? You know what? I've been keeping this secret for so long. Because you are idiot and you think me a fool. But I use me head pan you. If you know say people like you know, nobody no feel lend you nothing. Me lend you my money, remember say you come borrow me money. Oh long. You borrow me money. What you mean you never know say me remember say me lend you? Oh somebody feel lend somebody something and then don't remember. You think me forgot? And when you done you take yourself come on me yard and I go on the most disgraceful way for partner money when it's not your turn? Anything you see me need scare come give you at that, me send come give you as long as she not take out none of there. Me give me niece the money for give you and you not forget nothing more than that. Because you have my money and not even pay me none of it yet. You're lucky to me give her money for come give you too. A long time you owe me. Long time. How much in months now so want here. And you don't have no heart. No conscience you know. So you borrow me money girl. And make me have to come ask you for it. So true me not ask you for you think me forgot and you don't want to give me. That's why some people not lend people nothing they rather give them. Because they know so they know if you look back for it.
Jesus. Hello? Voicemail. Try again. Jesus Christ. Voicemail. So I'm gonna go in. Let me go.
You better you let go, Jada. Because you owe me my money, me shouldn't even send Jada with no money come give you. And any owe me spit a ground. And me not see Jada around me. A police me I go send to your yard. Me not have to come. Me not have to come to your yard. No worry yourself. Me know where the police station there. So if you know me, you let her go. And me mean no too. I mean, in a no long talking with your girl. And you see the day when you come on me yard and I disrespect and I can't take up chair like you buy something in here so? A box me should have box in your mouth. Come on for my phone.
Girl, what you do that, sir?
Like the fool, okay? I just spend my money.
Jesus Christ, I just go in my yard and I call my auntie and she know they run me. Girl, if you ever know what happened to me.
What happened to you?
Me say, after one day, I dey home and wash plate. And my auntie give me one partner money if you go give one woman down an Ample Road. Right, no me. Take out money out of it, go buy smoothie and them something.
Wait, let me ask you up. So, you spend the money and not give me none.
Girl,
And you say me and your friend.
You never there. So guess what now?
Me never did it when you have the money, but you find me do it when you don't have the money.
Jesus Christ.
Me never that 1 year.
You know what you to worry? Listen to me. I say, after me done do what me I do, take out my share of money. Carry the rest of money go give the woman. You know, the woman take the money and count up money. Realize say money short. No woman capture me. I get what me get where I go run when me I call my auntie phone a voicemail. Straight voicemail. I don't know what me I go do.
So me ask you a question. Where auntie there?
Girl, me no know. You know, hear me tell her say me a ring her phone and a straight voicemail. Me just a come from up the yard, gate lock, everything.
You say you check around the shop?
Around them, I go check right now because I don't know if she there around there.
Alright, so you want me to follow you?
Yeah, I want to follow me around there.
You have to buy one thing to me first.
Girl, come on, you know so me can.
Alright.
say I want to come play one them, you know, with one of my three them. What him was saying now come up and say, you know?
Me have them, you know.
Yeah. So I make you show 2-6 on the board, huh?
You have money? I mean, I no free game with nobody.
You don't know my name is Money Idol, so you don't know things that you.
You have to put on your bet. $1,000 bet. You ready?
Come in, man.
Alright, I'll give you that, you know. What's your name?
Money Idol.
Money Idol.
Yeah.
You're idol without money.
But how do you Bugs Bunny, man?
Hold that, me soon come.
Alright, more. You want drinks come now? You want soda come, mama?
One flavor me have, you know, an orange. You want it? You like them flavor there?
Yo, anything right now.
You look hungry, though. Drink it.
Hungry?
Yeah.
I'm look hungry, I just need some food.
$150 for that.
Just so get it, mama. When we bingo.
You know, say this a boy really take me for some Bugs Bunny for show.
That is without a money.
So you have your money to pay for your drink after the game?
Of course.
Me know me and you fight today. Pull up that. $1,000 bet. Remember, you say your money idol.
Talk to the beat, yeah. Me run Jamaica.
Yo, put on your bet. Put on your bet. Put on your bet right there, so. $1,000 bet.
So got casino. Casino? So sorry. I'll be a 5,000, like I'm change 5,000.
You can't change any money.
Alright.
My youth, at style, this at $250.
So me pay for your drinks. You cannot talk
Hold on. Are the drinks you pay for?
Yes, I'm going to beat you and give you 1,000.
No man, you better you get up. You take me for food. Yo, come out of me yard. You pay for your drinks, $150 for your drinks. Hold back the $100. Come not want tea from people like you.
No.
But they go on like you don't have money and you don't have no money. You say you need money idol and you broke. Take up that $150 or when $250 me take you put on this and me take up.
No, me give you $100 by yourself a juice because you're thirsty.
Yo, take your drinks and go on with you. You're too bright and take that too and come out here. So you're bright, you know. You know that me know with idiot, you know.
Yo,
me not deal with
ashes, dust to dust.
What you man going
Every
like
broke party, coffee get super.
Yo, remember saying your yard, they are my yard. Come out of this.
I want the candy. Candy, I should.
Yo, you're just coming at me.
I don't money and candy.
Let you come out of me yard. Can you come like you come and stuff you come. Sure. Yo, come out of me yard.
No, I'm left here, sucker. Excuse me.
Yo, walk around there, so. And this man I can tell me when if you move from out of my own place.
You know what? You see what I mean by these drinks, I mean not care. Me I walk here, so. Let me just excuse. Just keep
Yo,
150.
hold that. You look hungry and thirsty. Hey boy, you don't know me, you know. Don't come back in my yard in a style. You come to style me, you know. You look like, yo, take this too. Take it. Bright.
I want the
Yo, take that.
candy.
Bright team, man. You see how people like, you know.
I want to the girl when you candy. She just broke it now. She run out of luck now. Can't get no broken now.
Boy, they're idiot. Idiot boy. When you have pass back, you can't get your drinks. Take that. No drink and live. Bright. Come back in my yard, box in your mouth. Style, big man. See your favorite crayfish. Jesus Christ, when they had to warn you, where are you doing that they shot? Say, turn on. Little girl. You see where you're in there? You see where you're on the road? Little girl. Turn on. Watch it. See it now? You know what that the shots they mean? Draw me attention. And that it mean. So if you they seek attention, as a matter of fact, me soon deal with you about that. Cause you look like a man, you they look. Anyway, what is the problem?
I want to tell you something, auntie. After you give me the money, if you can go give the lady, me bring the money go give the lady. She take it from me, she count it and when me look, the woman draw me in, put me on chair if you sit down.
Where you say?
Put me on chair if you sit down. Then she said money short. When me look, the woman drag me go in a one room, a dark room, tie me up, put a time.
Wait.
She did with me bad done there.
Where you say? So she a serial killer?
You look like
Or she a secret killer?
me no know.
Wait there, hold on. She draw you go in a one place where dark like a one.
In our room.
I lie. Then Jada, where your phone did there? You couldn't hide and call me.
Until me call you. Jesus.
Yeah, the drop. Watch out.
Me call you and a voicemail. Me go in a house first and a voicemail.
Jada, alright, calm down. The money when me give to you, did you give the lady the right money? Jada?
Yes, auntie.
Jada,
Yes, auntie.
Jada, you sure? So you give the woman the
Yes, me give the woman the money, auntie. Yes.
So
the
what
right
reason?
money.
What reason? She have to dry in the room.
Me no know. I know.
Hey, me come come here. You not involved in this. Later.
You see that little girl yeah? You see this little girl? War mama. Because I notice, you know, from you, they keep friend with she, you know. You is a different Jada. You understand me? And your auntie don't play and you know that. Because all when me not know her from nowhere, me will lick her in her mouth and you have to be careful of the friend them where you keep. I hope you not take out none of the money because I know say you we take out it and say you not take out it.
Me not take out none. Me carry
Alright,
right
me
money.
not
You
say
say
take
me
out
if
it.
you don't open it, me don't open it. Me carry the right money go give the lady.
Okay, make sure say you don't take it out. Right?
Me do not take it
I
out.
want to see that woman. Me need to see her. Because looking at my face when me dey talk to you, eye contact, you feel have manners. Somebody I talk to you behind you?
No,
So me invisible now, you know, so me stand up in front of you. Yes, when somebody talking to you, need to looking at them face. You know, they look behind you like you don't care about what them a say. I'm a talk for come go in the house.
me hungry.
You're hungry. Go on in the house, go spread up your bed from morning you left you and not spread it. Go and go spread up your bed. All the night they come down, go spread your bed, they're too nasty. Go on. Me no want you nothing from you. Go on in. No wonder why the woman have to dry your in one dark room. But I will find out the reason why, because anytime I see her, she have to go tell me why she put you in the dark room there. You know what? Let me take up my bag. That girl get on top of my nerves. Every minute she come on me yard, she make nice. Now me send her with money to go give her, she put you in the dark room. Wait till the lights for her. She too out of that. Ratted in the day. Yes, man. Junior!
Who that?
Junior!
Oh, who that, man? Are we at here?
Come here, man, and talk to you. How in there?
You're supposed to be able to pick them up there.
Are you picking them up there? Your woman up there?
No, that
So where you picking them have to do with me and you?
session of the day, but you can't come here, so.
Junior,
You hear that? Come go, yes. Come on, so we talk to you. Come on, talk to you, yes. Come on. Carry on as if I talk to you. Because me know certain people, and then you notice a lot of people here. You have Christian people there, so you have a banker who live up there, so and all these things. So I really want them see me, you know what I mean, in a one situation where them see woman are coming and them not understand. Cause you know people stay and neighbors stay already, right? Knows the people, different situation.
And so I go. Listen to me. When you did a come on me yard and I beg me my front, I'm gonna give it to you. Don't tell me fish. Your neighbor them and your bank were hit and whosoever it where you said they don't hear so with you. Then they know about your business.
Alright,
Me no want to hear nothing about it. Don't talk to me. Before me start make nice over here. Oh, hello. I some money me come for to do some business.
Money?
Not tell about nobody.
No, I'm not telling about nobody. Me talk about money.
Money.
But you want money for now?
If you do some business, you're deaf.
No, but me not have money right now. You even own my partner. Right now, me forget me draw how long. And the Lord mouth woman, she get her partner draw already?
Oh. You know, see me bust up your face already, you know. Nobody can tell me about nobody if this is somebody I get drawn, that is somebody I get drawn. No. Look how much time you ask me for my front and me give you for free.
Yeah,
but your backside, me want some money right now if you go do some business. What you talk about?
You have reinstart.
You promise me money and me come feet and me want it.
How much?
Me want 300,000 if you go do so.
300,000? Me partner draw a 46,000. No, yeah, 46,000. And you want 300,000?
You can't count at 44,000.
44?
Yes.
All right,
and me give you part-time money.
Hear me say no. Rena father, good things around the little shed. Me not have that.
What you mean?
Me not have 300,000 right now. But listen. We work it out one different way. Check me back Tuesday morning.
Me not check your back. Me no in and no more checking with you because you know what? You see you? And that's how you fit can with one woman.
You
have your woman.
Yeah.
Me see you with your woman enough time. You have your woman. And me go bust up your face make your woman know say you keep woman around.
No. Alright. 300,000 you want? Alright. Me go give you. Me get it for you. But you know in the house right now. So
I wait there.
It's a bank.
Bank
there.
So when me go get it?
But me can't draw 300,000 one time. Your bank account?
You realize say?
Me wait at your account.
Oi.
Give me your account.
No, nice over here.
You give your money.
You have my bank account number in your phone long time.
Alright.
I mean, wait. Let me tell them.
Easy, let's start it out.
And then tell your wife. Send it 300,000 right now. You're bright. Right now, me want it.
Me go send the money to you.
Oh, there.
Alright.
How much can you get me front? More than 300,000 times. Send it right now. You have my account number in your phone for a long time. You beg me 300,000 front. How much time you gone over 3 million? If you can give me 300,000, you can go on like I know how much million and chilling you give me. You better send me before me start ball out over here and tell you.
I me send the money. The money I come. Just relax now.
Send me money, come give me. Cause $300,000.
That be nice.
You're nice over here. Make nice over here, make people them here.
Alright, see money send there. The money send, Ken. The money send. But guess what I got beg if you do?
The money sent.
The money send, you see?
Me make mistake and left my phone and my yard. You see if me go home and I see it funny, you will find out.
The money send, Candy. Alright, you are going. Rain or fall, and me kind of really feel away right now.
You see you man. You see you stay. You see when you come on to begging woman in front, you come on and nice them up, baby, you know I love you. And when you take out the money, you dirty pocket, I will cut off your, hey boy.
Easy, the money send, just
you want that? You want that? I will cut off that backside.
The money send, just go on.
You want me make pay nice over your yard?
Just go on. And guess what now? Me not in a partner no more. Me done. It's when you get the draw.
Junior, let me tell you one last thing before me leave. You see, any of me go me here and look on my phone and the money not sent to me account.
I'm sure you did it.
A trouble over here. You and your woman are left same time. And me they come in with me clothes them. And you can't put me out and me have news to tell you. Boy, the last time me give it to you, you breed me. Oh, take that straight in your head.
So me a breeder. Me a breeder. And if she not a breed, and a trick me.
just no sit down. Me tired but me feel stand up. Jada, you know the real reason why I carry you out?
No.
Because remember say I'm a niece, you know. You understand? And I know say I neglect you a few weeks ago. And I know you might think that I don't love you as your auntie, but don't make it devil fool you. I still love you. I love you very much. And me have one friend where me get some money from. Yeah. And then a little bit of money and enough money so I carry out to treat you because I just feel say you they believe say me neglect you. I don't neglect you. So I carry you out you enjoy yourself. That's why I carry you around here. So you see the river beautiful?
Yeah.
Look nice, not true? So guess what? So when you leave from here, so I carry you go buy something nice. Here? Alright, you know something I love you, you know my niece. You're my only niece. Here?
Yeah,
You have to behave yourself, you know.
Auntie, for sure, you know, because nowadays you have to live good with people, you know, because everybody are dead. See all the miserable woman, the partner woman, you see, can't lick her done.
That's for me here. But you have to be careful when you walk on the street. Here?
Yes, Auntie.
You're my only niece. You don't have nobody else but me. And you see the time that when you think that me neglect you, I mean no, me never. I am going to treat you to all that, my love. So just forget about this neglect thing, because I do love you. You have something nice here. Come walk, go down the road.